I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but Chanel is having a price increase very soon. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Antoinette. I post videos every week about luxury handbags, reviews, tips, updates, and so much more. So today is the day, and I hate to be the bearer of bad news, that Chanel is gonna have a price increase very soon, and it's all over Instagram, personal shoppers, as well as resellers, and sales advisor are confirming about this price increase. And it's gonna happen, I heard it's gonna happen in July. And some people says effective July the 1st, there's gonna be a price increase. And some says it's gonna be in July, and there is no confirmed date, but a lot of people are saying that effective July 1st, and that is a few days away, that there is gonna be a price increase. And I am not really surprised on this. If you watch my video back in January, I posted when they had an across the board price increase in January, and this time it is going to be in July. They are going to be releasing the 21B 21K collection, and rumors says that they are going to go up as much as 10 to 12%. So they're saying that the classic flaps will go up to $1,000, and I know that is so ridiculous, and I really am shocked right now, and I don't know what to say. I can't say that, it's not worth it anymore, because to be honest, we always say that every price increase, but we end up buying it anyway. So let's go back with Chanel's price increase history. So last year, they actually went up in price. I believe that was in June. They went up in the middle of the pandemic, and then January of this year, they went up in price. So I know that is ridiculous. The classic flap went up to at least 10 to 12% in January. And so the Chanel 19 also went up in price. So it was $4,900 before the January price increase. And on the January price increase, it went up to $5,100. And I'm talking about the small Chanel 19. So let me look at my notes really quick. And so according to the source, that the prices are going up for the classic, of course, the reissue, the boy bag, the Chanel 19, and other bags. They were not specific as far as what bags, but I'll definitely share that with you, if I get any more information. But, according to the sales advisor across Instagram, as well as the Facebook group that I follow, where we talk all about Chanel, is that there is going to be an increase for the classic flap for at least $1,000. So that is a 12% increase. So now there is the 21A collection. It just launched in July. They will be launching the 21B collection, and shortly after that will be the 21K. So usually Chanel raise up their prices when there is a new collection launch, because people are really wanting to reserve. And unfortunately, I reserved one for the 21B, and right now I'm not sure if I'm even gonna pursue that or go further with my reservation. It just all depends if the price did increase to about $1,000. So let me tell you a little bit about their history. So when I got my jumbo classic flap in caviar beige Claire back in October of 2019, the price of that one was around $6,200. And now the price for that large or jumbo classic flap is now $7,400. So within just less than 2 years or a year and a half, the jumbo had went up to more than $1,000. And so imagine from last January to this July, if the rumors are true, the jumbo will go up to $8,400 roughly, if that is the 12% increase. And the classic flap that everyone loves will go up from $7,800 to $8,800. And you know, my thoughts about it is a lot of people are saying, oh, Chanel is not worth it anymore. I'm not purchasing Chanel anymore. And really, to be honest, I know a lot of people say that in every price increase, it's not worth it. I'm going to venture on Hermes. I know that's true. If you are a lover of Chanel or if you really love the brand, I know for sure you're still gonna purchase it. But it's just a matter of, do you really want to spend all that money on, you know, a Chanel bag? Do you really need more? That's my thoughts on it. So for myself, since I have the classics, since I have the mini, since I have the 19 and the boy bags, so what I ask myself is, do you really need another boy bag? Do you really need another Chanel 19 or another classic flap, being the price has increased? Or if I want to venture towards the pre-love bags. So that's my thoughts right now, and I'm not gonna badmouth Chanel for having a price increase, because we know that it happens every single year. They have multiple price increase. It's not only Chanel, it's Louis Vuitton. Hermes does the same way. Many of you might say, I'm gonna venture to Hermes now. They have a better quality. I know that's true. I mean, I might want to think about that as well. However, you know that it's not easy to actually go to Hermes and just get any of the bags that you want. Getting that dream Kelly or Birkin, sometimes you have to pay a price to actually get your wish list bags. I might venture to Hermes in the near future. However, I know what it takes, that it's not easy as well to actually get the Hermes bag that you want. And for me, myself, I have my Hermes Evelyn bag and I'm happy with it. I'm not planning, and I do not want to get any other bags that I really don't like. So if I do venture on Hermes, I might just buy like a few shoes, but I really don't buy any other bags unless I really want it and I wanted to get a Kelly or a Birkin. However, as I said, I don't want to purchase anything unnecessary just to get my dream bags. And that's the reason why I guess that I am buying Chanel, and I really like Chanel. I like the colors of Chanel bags, but right now I'm thinking, do I really need more Chanel bags? Which is the answer is no. I really don't need any more Chanel bags. So I'm just giving this news to you right now, and it's hot off the press. It's been confirmed by several sales advisors and also resellers, personal shoppers. It's been confirmed that they will have a price increase in the United States, and of course it will happen all over the world. I just don't know exactly when, and as I said, I'll give you an update as far as what will be the price increase. So let's talk about the prices right now for Chanel, and let's go with the small classic flap. So the small classic flap right now is $6,200, and if the July price increase will happen and on their projected 12.5%, so the small classic flap will be $6,975, and that is of course plus tax. And the medium flap, it is right now $6,800, and it will be $7,650 given the 12%. And the Chanel 19 is now $5,100. Then it will go up to $5,610, 10%, and that's according to Purse Bop. They also released that news today. And Chanel Boy, the old medium that everybody loves, now it is $5,300, and with the 12% rough estimate will be $5,963. So that's really a major leap for the Chanel handbags. And as you all know, the coco handle just went up in price not too long ago, about a month ago. Their small and their mini coco handle went up to $300. So I am not sure if the coco handle will again increase in price for this price increase in July. So we're just gonna be waiting and getting like updates as far as what will go up, definitely. So right now it will be the classic, it will be the reissue, the Chanel 19, the boy bags, and some other bags. And as you all know, the classic will always go up in price. Of course, this is part of the supply and demand. Chanel was voted as one of the most desired bags of 2020 despite of the pandemic. So naturally, they will go up in price. And again, this happens every year. Twice a year, Chanel increase their prices, and they always do that when a new season is launched. So for the July 2021, the 21B and 21K, which is their fall winter act 1 and 2, will be launched. So that's when their price increase will happen. So if you did reserve a bag for the 21B, then more than likely you are going to be paying the new price. So if you are still in the market, you are looking at getting your first bag, then this might be the perfect time to get your bag before this actual price increase that's going to happen. If you have the budget for it, I say go for it now. But if you are just not really sure about what to get, I guess just wait until the bag that you really want comes in. Because I made this mistake when I bought my Chanel Jumbo Beige Claire. I was expecting for a price increase. I really wanted a medium classic flap. However, you know, when they said there is going to be a price increase and there was only a Jumbo Beige Claire that was available at that time, so I went ahead and purchased that anyway, even though I really wanted the medium. And later on, I find myself not really using the Jumbo Beige Claire. It was because it was too big for my frame. So always think about it. This is a big investment. This is not like cheap bags. These are designer handbags that we're talking about more than $5,000 purchase. As for myself, I'm still going to be buying Chanel, but I'm going to be a little bit more mindful as far as what to purchase. I might focus more on the mini rectangular or the smaller bags that would actually fit my essential. I might stay clear from the classic because the classic are way up there now with this price increase. So that's the news that I have for you today. And if I get more information, I'll definitely update you in this channel. If I get information as far as the new price from the old price and the definite actual price increase, I'll let you know right away. But for right now, I'm just here to let you know. So in that way, if you have the budget and you're ready to purchase your first handbag or your first Chanel and you're just waiting for the right time, then maybe this is the right time. You know, if you're looking for that first classic flap or your mini rectangular, then you might want to contact your sales advisor and get one before this price increase that's about to happen in a few days. What do you guys think? I know that we are shocked that this price increase is happening fairly soon, but we are kind of expecting this to happen anyways. And for me, I'm not quite surprised. I know this is happening fairly soon. My expectation was sometime maybe September to October, but however, it's happening soon. So yeah, so I'm just here to give you this update. If I hear anything again about this price increase, I'll definitely let you know. So that's the scoop for today. The Chanel price increase that's gonna happen in July the 1st or sometime in July. That's all for today. I'll give you an update pretty soon if I hear anything more about this price increase. If you have any question, please comment down below and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. And also you could follow me on Instagram at always Antoinette. We could communicate and interact there as well, and I'm pretty responsive. If you have any question, just send me a DM and I'll definitely answer any of your questions. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a blessed day, guys, and I'll see you on my future videos.